everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next, that is. Today we are going to be drawing Julio Rodriguez of the Seattle Mariners, Major League Baseball team. Better known as J-Rod. He's from the Dominican Republic, outfielder, number 44 for the Mariners. Made his Major League debut in 2022. Was an All-Star, Silver Slugger, and the American League Rookie of the Year. All-around superstar, Julio Rodriguez. Let's get started. Find the center of your page here, the center of your page across, and we'll do Julio's face up top. Okay? So we're going to start with our blue, kind of a Mariners dark blue pointed tip. We're going to do the brim of the hat. So we'll go across, kind of a slight arch. Round it up on the edges and follow it, slight arch again and connect, okay? Alrighty, go straight up, kind of slanted in, straight up, a little slanted in, and then we're gonna curve to the top, kind of a point at the top and come down to connect. There's the hat. Alright, we'll put our blue marker away for a minute. We'll get our dark gray marker. We'll start to draw the face. We'll come down, slant out. He's gonna have a big smile, so we're gonna do some curves out to a pointed chin, straight across, and just copy that other side. Big cheeks, kind of pointed, or rounded out on both sides. He's got some bigger ears, so we're gonna exaggerate those ears and bring them out and down, okay? Let's do some big eyes. 1 oval and 2. We'll do some circles in the middle of those eyes. Those are going to stay white. And we will do the nose. Bring this from the eye down, make a dot. From the edge of the eye down, make a dot. And we're going to connect those dots to make Julio Rodriguez nose. Alrighty. Some smile lines pointing out to the side of the cheeks there. Now let's do a big smile. We'll start out here. We'll go down to a point. And we'll go down, straight across, up. There we go. Kind of color the inside of the mouth there. Bring his smile, his teeth across. We'll do a little lip curve for the smile line around that mouth edge. Bring a line for the dimples. See, when you smile, you get lots of wrinkles and dimples. So here we go. He's gonna have a little chin beard right here. We'll scribble that in. Now let's do the neck. Go down, circle. We're gonna quickly grab a gold or a yellow, and we're gonna do a chain. He likes to wear gold chains, so we'll kind of make some beads. I'm just doing little circles, making it look like he's wearing a chain really quick. There we go. Put away the yellow, grab the dark again, make a shoulder, sleeve, up. Now we'll go down to the waist, straight across, slant up to the armpit, and connect to the sleeve. Now over here we're going to do a big baseball, big circle the best we can. Does not have to be perfect, you guys. There we go. 1 finger, 2 finger, maybe his thumb, an oval on the side. Do his arm slanting out into the baseball. So he's holding on to that baseball. Over here, we're gonna do his arm coming down. Stop. So what we do here is we do a kind of this oval shape. And that's basically him holding onto the baseball bat. So what we'll do is go down, big long baseball bat, slant it back up and connect. Okay? He's resting his hand on that baseball bat. Right here we'll do a big belt buckle, baseball player belt buckle. Okay? Squared off pants, up, down, kind of squared off, and we're going to connect it to the waist. Down, down, connect, down, down, connect. Let's do some big baseball cleats. There's the tongue of the shoe, the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps. 1, 2, oh, and it hits the bat and stops, okay? Big out toward the edge, bring it straight across to the heel, stop, and connect. Bring that heel down, stop, to the edge of the baseball bat. It's gonna go behind the baseball bat, up, and connect. Perfect. Looking great. All right, so we got the outline of Julio Rodriguez. We are going to actually start with the eye. We're gonna get a black marker. We're gonna go around the eye with our black marker. Draw that pupil in there. And we are going to get a light, kind of brownish color, and go around the black with brown. Looking good, looking good. Okay, let's do the eyebrows. Get the point out of the black. He's got some bushy eyebrows, so we'll do 1 arch, 2 arch, and then big, up, up, connect down to a point, connect down to a point. He's got some hair that's gonna go up into his hat. You can color in the eyebrows if you want. We'll do this in fast forward, just to let you know where it goes. Chin beard going on right here. Okay, so let's grab the blue. Mariners have a stripe that comes down. To the waist. Another one that comes down to the waist. And right here, he always has his shirt open. So I'm going to draw a little blue area right there. And the word Mariners. Let's do the word Mariners. See if I can do it good. All right. M-A-R Mariners. Okay, not perfect, but good enough. We'll do the compass. Baseball. And up here, we're going to do the compass on the hat. So 2 triangles. Triangle out, baseball behind there. And we're going to do the big S right here. Bring it down best we can. It's a really challenging logo, so don't you even worry about it if it doesn't look that great. Just have fun. Okay? Okay, cool. So we have, actually he has some stripes down here. I'm going to leave these white areas striped. Fill in the socks with blue. See, leave these areas white and fill in the in-between areas in the blue marker. Okay. Bring these stripes down and color those in blue as well. And we are about set to color. So here's what we're going to do. Leave the jersey white. We have a stripe of blue coming down the side of the pants. Baseball, flesh color. We'll fill in the baseball cap with our blue. baseball bat. And we have Julio Rodriguez, outfielder for the Seattle Mariners. Thank you for drawing with us. Hope you enjoyed this one. Baseball players are a little more challenging. There's a lot more going on in the logos and stuff. So we appreciate it. Slow down if you need to. And don't forget to subscribe. Fast forward now.